Question number 14, paper 1, November 2019. P is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 square, and Q is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. Find the highest common factor HCF of P and Q. So P is as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 square, and Q is written as 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. They are prime factors. So HCF must be the least and common. So least common is 2 and the least is 1. Common is 3 and least is 1. Common is 5 and least is 5. So HCF must be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 mean 30. So HCF is 30. In part B, find the lowest common multiple LCM of P, Q and 21. Give your answer as the product of prime factor. Similarly, we write P as common prime factor are 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 square, and the Q can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5, and 21. First find the factor of 21. So 3 7s are 21 and 7 are 7. So the factors are 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 are the factor of 21. Now in LCM, when the factors are given and we find LCM, we write all the number 2, 3, 5, 7, all the number we write, but if they are common, we take only the highest power. So first we take the common number. Highest 2 is the common. It is written as 2 to the power 3. Although 2 is not here, it is not 2, but we consider it is 2 to the power 0 because 2 to the power 0 means 1. And if it is not 5 here, doesn't matter, 5 to the power 0. So it is 1. When you multiply with these 4 numbers, the answer will be 21. So the common is 2 and the power is 3. But it is only in the case of LCM, not for the LCM. In HCF, we take common, only the common number and the least power. But in LCM, we take all the value. But if it is common, so we take the highest power. So we take 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power square and 5 square and 7. Whatever number are common in two numbers, we write only one time, but the highest power. 7 was only available in 21, but not in the other numbers, so we write one time. So we take the all number, we take all the number with the highest power. If it is not the common number, doesn't matter, we write only one time. Of prime factors of P, Q and 21 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 7. This is all about to question number 8 part B. Now move to question number 8 part C. Find the smallest integer n such that Pn is a square number. So P basically, P is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 to the square. So we must consider this number and we have to write Pn as a square number. So we must write some number here so that it becomes square. It becomes square. So it is 2 to the power 3. So we can write, so first we write 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. So it becomes 2 to the power 4. 3 is there, multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5 square. So we insert these two numbers, this 3 and this 3. So it becomes 2 to the power 4 and 3 square and 5 square. 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square. So it becomes 4 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square. When the square on the all the term and they are multiplying, we can just combine them in one bracket we can write 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 to the square. So it becomes 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 to the square. So it is n and it is square. So fourth smallest integer, and the integer become 4 3s are 12 and it is 60 to the square. So what we have insert, it is a square of 60, it becomes square of 60, but what we have add, we have n, and n is basically these two number which we add ourselves, 2 and 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. We add 6 basically. So n is 6 and it is the smallest integer which make Pn as a square number. It is all about this question. If you still have any problem, write in comment, I will reply you.